Jazz here for the first time in almost a year, if not a year. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tie-dye character silhouette. So first of all, we're going to make the background this creamy green, white, grey, whatever you want to call it. And then we're going to come over here, make a new layer. We're going to call this face. And then we'll make it black. Change the brush size, make sure the brush is selected. We want a hard brush, say yep, it doesn't matter what colour, but we're going to go with black. So we're just going to make a Bart Simpson style shape face. And obviously you can do this with your own character. That's the first shape that came to mind. Fill this in. Of course, if you're not using a mouse, it'd be a lot easier. I'm going to Control T to transform it to make it bigger, move it up, and then we're going to lock. Control D, Control D. Oh, I don't know what's happening there. I'm going to lock it, and we're going to make just some random colours, maybe some blue. Some dots. Maybe some red, pink, and maybe some white. Why not? And once that's caught up, go to filter, liquify, and we should go here, change the brush, and then start. Come on. Why isn't this? There we go. This. Play around with it. Smudge it around. And you can make it however you want. So let's just make it smaller. Bring this down. And just play around with it. course that can be a lot better. But press OK if you're happy with it. I'm not too fast at the moment. Let's try and get some of the white in there. Put some of the red pink down. So yeah, try and get some of the other colours in there. So yeah, then you press OK. So it's lost its shape, but you should get the idea. And it would be a lot easier without the mouse if you had a Wacom tablet or something like that. So yeah, that's how you create a tie-dye character in Photoshop.